It's 1983. President Shehu Shagari of Nigeria has ordered for the deportation of undocumented migrants.
Most of the people to be affected are West Africans, our brothers and sisters, especially from Ghana.
Have you so soon forgotten about 1969? When they got rid of us like rats from their country?
Migrants are human beings. How about that?
Where are you coming from?
Nationality!
Oh, Ghana.
Omo Ghana.
Calm down.
My brother.
Who are your brothers?
Idea that national boundaries should be borders have to be done away with. Instead, we have to think of them as bridges.
We have to humanize migrants.
We have relatives, we have friends who are migrants, and we ourselves might in future be migrants as well.